Now, before you start on any of your pieces, what I suggest is practice cutting with your saw. So I've drawn a line across here like this. And what I'm going to do with my knife, and you've got a knife in there as well, is just put a little ridge on your knife line, on your pencil line with your knife, and that will give you enough space to start. So put your saw right where that little ridge is, and then carefully put your finger up to it. Remember to keep your finger out of the way of the teeth of the saw. Just make a few cuts, and then gently let the saw do the work. Forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. And you can do the same thing with your coping saw. I'm just doing a quick line across like this, nice and dark so I can see. And then I'm putting the knife there just to make a little impression so that the saw blade has got somewhere to sit. Forward and back, forward and back. And that's it. Now, if you want to practice a bit more, what I suggest is putting your line here again, and then putting a line perpendicular. And the reason I'm saying that is so that when you come to cut your wood again, you can actually see that you're sawing straight. So I'm putting it in there. So you can see my saw line is just touching now. You can see I've gone a little bit off there, so what I need to do is turn the saw slightly and it'll go back on track. Okay.